Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are solving the solved problem which are given in your textbook page number 22. The problem is depend on the work and energy. So how the work is obtained in given situation. So the question number 1 says, it is a solved problem, says calculate the work done to take an object of mass 20 kg to a height of 10 meter. Okay. So the value of G is given here. It is 9.8 meter per square second. Okay. So what is G? It is the gravity. So when you are taking any object above the earth's surface, then earth is applying force on that object toward the center of earth. That's why the force we are applying on an object to put it on the above surface, then earth is applying opposing force. That's why the opposing force का magnitude हम कैसा लेते हैं? Negative लेते हैं. Okay. So let first given we have to write first given part, then to find, then formula, and then solution, and after completion of the solution we have to write the result also. Okay. So this is the way we have solved the problem. Okay. So first we have to write given part. So given, what is given? It is given that the mass of object is 20 kg. So mass is represented by m, therefore m equals to 20 kg. At a height of 10 meter, so height is nothing but the displacement from the earth surface. Okay. Suppose this is the earth surface and this is an object. In initial stage, object is kept on the earth surface. So when we are taking this mass to 10 meter above the earth surface, it is 10 meter height from here to here. Okay, so this is the height and its mass is 20 kg. 20 kg. So 20 kg mass of an object is taken over at a height of 10 meter from the earth surface, then we have to calculate the work done. Okay, for this activity we have to calculate work done. Okay, so mass is 20 kg, height is nothing but displacement is of 10 meter. Okay, then G, the value of G is given here 9.8 meter per square second. So it is 9.8 meter per second square. But the gravity is applying opposing force. That's why we are taking its magnitude as negative. As negative because it is the opposing force. Okay. So this is all given part. Now we have to write to find. To find. So in question what we have to find? Calculate the work done. So we have to write W is question mark. That we have to identify work. Then formula. Which formula we are going to use? We will use W equals to F into S. It is force into displacement and into C. G we had to use again. Okay, so Fs into G. Then solution. So we are solving our question over here. So solution. What is formula? It is W equals to F into S into G. So W equals to, what is F? F is the force. Force equals work done equals to force into displacement. So the force is nothing but mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration into displacement. So W equals to, we can say mass into gravity into acceleration. So instead of S, instead of F, or we can write F into S, and F equals to mass into gravity. So the value of F is mg. So we have, so here since, see, we are solving again, so we can write, therefore W equals to force into displacement. Since F equals to mass into gravity, therefore mass is nothing but m into gravity is g. Therefore W equals, W means work done. What is F? F is mass into gravity mg. So we have to write mg into s is displacement. So W equals to mass. So what is mass? Mass is of 20 kg. So we have to write 20 kg into gravity is g is negative 9.8. Negative 9.8 into displacement is 10. So work done equals to, see, if we will multiply here, we will get 20 into negative 98. So W equals to, multiplying 2 8s are 16, 16 का 6 कैरी करेगा 1, 2 9s are 18 and 1 19 and 0. So work done is 1960. See, the unit will be, so Newton per kg. Its unit is Newton per kg. Okay, so this is the way we had to solve the problem. Okay, see, but Newton per kg is nothing but joule. Therefore W equals to 1960. See, its magnitude is negative, so here we have to write negative again. Okay, so negative joule. See, now we have to write result. So we have to write why we are putting negative sign over there. So negative sign represents opposing force applied by earth on an object. Okay, so now we will write result. So what will be result? The work done is negative 1960 joules, and it is our answer. Okay, so this is the way you have to solve the problem. So write down and see, यहाँ पर जो हमने फॉर्मूला है थोड़ा सा डिजाइन किया हुआ है. Okay, so design the part of the solution is very very important. Okay, so write down first, then we will move on next question. So we are going to solve the second problem. So second problem says Praveen has applied a force of 100 Newton on an object. So Praveen is applied force of 100 Newton on an object at the angle of 60 degree. See, वहां पर जो एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है between horizontal line and the force applied by Praveen, जो एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है कितने का है? 60 डिग्री का. The object get displaced in horizontal direction and 400 joule work is done. और अब ऑब्जेक्ट में जब फोर्स लगेगा तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा, और डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो रहा है, और वर्क डन जो हो रहा है, वर्क डन कितना हो रहा है? इट इज 400 जूल. ओके, व्हाट इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट? सो हमको ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके, सो we have to solve the problem first, then we will write the result. So first we are starting our problem from the given part. So first we have to write given. So what is given? Work done. W equals to, it is 400 joule. Then the angle is given, which is of 60 degree. Then we have to write force is also given. Force is given in Newton and it is of 100 Newton. So F equals to, we have to write 100 Newton. Okay. So now we have to write to find. What we have to find? The displacement, that is S. Now we have to write formula. So what is formula? It is W equals to F into S into cos theta. So we have to calculate S. So we have to write F and cos theta to another side. Therefore we can write S equals to W divided by F into cos theta. So now we have to solve the question now. So solution. We have formula S equals to W divided by force into cos theta. See, so cos theta में थीटा की वैल्यू कितनी दिया हुआ है हमको? 60 डिग्री. So here we have to write since cos theta equals to, so we are solving here. Since cos 60 degree equals to 1 by 2, therefore it is since. So therefore S equals to W. What is W? It is 400 joule. So we have to write 400 joule divided by F. F is force, which is 100 Newton. 100 Newton into, we have cos theta. Cos theta is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. So S equals to 400 डिवाइड बाय 100c. अब ये फ्रैक्शन डिवाइड फ्रैक्शन है, सो 2 चले जाएगा ऊपर एंड 1 आ जाएगा नीचे. देयरफॉर s इक्वल्स टू 2 0 से 2 0 कैंसल. 4 into 2 is 8. So 8 और ये आएगा मीटर में. ओके, सो आंसर विल बी 8 meter of displacement takes place in an object. Okay, so we have to write the result now. So 8 meter of distance. So 8 meter of distance, or distance नहीं, it is displacement. Displacement takes place in an object when 100 Newton force is applied by Praveen. Okay, so this is our result. So students, it is really very simple. Just you have to remember your formula. It is W equals to Fs cos theta. So you can calculate the problem also. You can calculate the distance which is given in our this problem. Okay. So students, आज के लिए इतना ही. हमारा यहाँ पर न्यूमेरिकल वाला पार्ट कंप्लीट होता है. Okay. So we will meet in next video with the next part of this chapter. So आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो.